Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new over here, hi, hello, I'm Sudhavloggs. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel to watch more such videos. And yeah, today I'm here to straighten my hair. I'm going to be showing you all how to straighten your hair at home using a straightener with less damage, of course. So I'm just going to tell you guys what are the advantages of straightening your hair. So it just takes care of all your frizziness first of all, and then it just gives you the smooth, sleek, and of course super straight hair. Lastly, gives you this look of just being at the salon. This is weird enough. So this is the only month you'll see me wearing jumpers in Chennai, of course. So the year started pretty cool, huh? Before starting off, I want to show you all how my hair looks. This is after straightening. So let's quickly begin. Apply some heat protection spray to the hair. This is very important as it will minimize any damage from the heat of the straightener and also helps to prep your hair for straightening. I'm using the Schwarzkopf heat protectant spray. You can use any heat protectant spray you want. I'm gonna run a wide tooth comb to make sure there aren't any knots or tangles. I'm just going to grab half section of my hair and secure it with this clutcher. Divide your hair and bring it on both the sides like this. I'm gonna work from inside first. Start a flat iron from hair root till hair tip and move down slowly with minimal pressure. Here I'm not focusing too much towards the end since it's poker straight. For your information, I underwent smoothing treatment a year back. This straightener is from Philips. It's the Kerashine hair straightener. Works amazing on my super thick long hair without much effort. Straightens your hair within 3 streaks and lasts for 4-5 days. Love the Kerashine formula. My hair looks super glossy, guys. For professional use, I would recommend you all to invest in a high quality straightener. Buy one that is ceramic or titanium plated. Ceramic straighteners last many times longer than the cheaper non-ceramic ones. And if you are beginners, you can definitely go for the selfie straightener from Philips. They are very affordable, and there are few other brands. I'll just leave the link in the description box down below. Please check it out. Now that I'm done with this portion, again gonna grab a section of my hair and secure it with this clutcher. Divide my hair and bring it on both the sides. Same procedure. Work as close as possible. Place your flat iron near your hair roots. My hair looks super straight now. So friends, I'm not sure I could upload next week. I'm off to Pondicherry for Pongal holidays. I'll be spending 3-4 days there, and we Tamil people celebrate Pongal. It's going to be a hectic week for us. So I'm not sure if I can do travel vlogging as well. But if you want to see what's happening, follow me on Instagram. I put up a lot of stories and pictures.
So when you iron your bangs, lift your hair upwards and straighten. It adds volume. So I did apply a serum. It wasn't recorded unfortunately.
That's it guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel to watch more such videos, and also do hit the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a video. And do follow me on Instagram to get more updates. I share like mini tutorials, travel photos and stuff like that. So yeah, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.